Okay, my friends, I kind of figured it out. It was kind of tricky, but if you just get one corner going and have that little bevel stick around there, you can kind of guide it, and it's just a little bit smaller, so it'll stretch right over there, and it'll actually hold it in place, and just kind of work your way around and keep that on there. And this last one, so it actually will, I can just let go now and it'll hold it on there. So that is the trick there that the instructions didn't really say. But now that that's on there, get you back to the better view here. Okay, now we can set that down over our holes. And there is some screws that we can put in. Oh boy, which ones are they though? I'll have to consult my manual here, so let me pause it until I can figure that out. So 1 second. Alright, so it comes with actually 6 of these little screws, and 6 is what you need. So the ones that there are 6 of, they're kind of like sharp, look like little metal screws with the little beveled edges there to kind of hold it in place. So we're going to put those in, and when you have screws like most that are kind of, oops, see it goes a little bit that way. You want to not screw it in all the way, just give it a little bit so it's in, but not all the way, so it's a little bit of leeway. There's a screw here, 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 and then on the back side too. So, all right, so got the one in there. Make sure we're over a hole here. Screw that one in a little bit there. Kind of working our way around. Thought my thing was magnetized. I think I want a hole there. Yeah. Okay. Go around to the other side here. And this should be kind of a fun install, since I do have a 6-inch pipe right there right now, or 4-inch, and I need to put an 8-inch in. So okay, and we got one more to go here. Good. Alright, success. Now I'm just going to gradually tighten each one as I go back around. Obviously we don't want to over tighten these. It is a plastic thing, but tight enough that rubber seal is going to be sealed down there pretty good. So oh, where's the other one? Okay, get this last one. Come on, buddy. Really? Apparently I have to go see this one. Okay. Alright, this last one I'm going to screw down all the way. Get it nice and snug on there. Not too much. This is, you're only screwing into aluminum here, so I think it might be fairly easy to strip it, but you just want to make sure it's not going to be rattling around or come undone. So there we go. And the last one now. Alright, that's actually nice and snug on there. So that is the one-way dual flap there. I'm going to have to cut a bigger hole in my ceiling, so that should be fun, as well as some other stuff. But that's the first step. And I'm going to have to put a new backsplash back here. All kinds of good stuff. So that's what we're looking at. I'm going to cut this out. I have to go get a bigger pipe, at least an adapter from here's the pipe I'm running up from here. That's going to go on there. That's what it came with. That's going to run up through the ceiling, I believe. It says to straight pipe everything, or to use the metal pipes when available, but it came with that, so I'm guessing that's okay. Probably not the best to guess, but anyways, thanks for watching this segment here. I'm going to be cutting a little bit bigger hole in the ceiling, and we'll have to go up in the attic, and that's going to be fun, so we'll be back.